That's just a second run, just to show that the first one wasn't a fluke, and to show maybe that second time round it might even be worse, because obviously heavier rainfall over a longer period is going to have a bigger impact. Let's try the measurements again. A little bit of sediment, very little bit. Now we've got over 700 in there now, obviously getting near a capacity, so running off. Take it me, turn it one. Again, we're pushing to the 700, but we've got a lot more coloration in this one than we have in this one. So we're losing soil significantly faster. The difference between those two.